So we've installed the fender flares permanently with tape. So we're just starting to get a look at what the fender flares will be like. We got wheels. We'll put one back here. We don't have our tires on the wheels yet, but at least that'll give us a good idea of where we want to go fitment wise. We took the spring off of our coil, so we can pull that up. Maybe not. We can pull it up with the jack and see. So this technically is the left rear flare on the right side of the car. It seems to fit the wheel well a little better. You can see the factory fender pretty much follows that perfect. Whereas when you put the right rear flare on this, it actually shows a bit of paint here and then hides a lot here. These flares are technically for an NA, but work with the NB with modification, of course. And I think that being said, kind of proves that left and rights don't really matter as long as it looks good. So we won't know exactly for sure until we have a tire on the rim, but we can kind of get it to fit the car the best and go from there. By the way, these are carbon Miata short style fender flares. So we have the new wheel on there. It's the 15 by 11 jong blowed wheel. We're just gonna mark out the flare so we can measure it with the other side. But we're gonna pretty much just go ahead, drill some holes, put some hardware in, and hope for the best.
we've marked the top line of the flare on the fender, and we've marked conservatively where we're going to cut the fender and the bumper out. They're pretty much identical. Now the fun part of cutting this out and finish drilling, riveting, and installing the flare, and it's going to look beautiful.
So we just finished doing the flares. They turned out really well. We're gonna wait to put that hardware in until we're done with the bumper, but once we get tires on it, we'll see for real what it looks like, but it's looking pretty good.